Capital One Quicksilver Cash Rewards are surprising. Explained what you get for your money. If you're searching for a simple, no-fuss cashback card, the Capital One Quicksilver Cash Rewards card could be exactly what you need. Most people get this wrong by assuming high rewards require complicated categories or high annual fees, but Quicksilver keeps it straightforward: 15% cash back on every purchase every time. The card has no rotating categories, no limits, and no confusing bonus tiers. Spend $0 a month, and you'll earn in cash back over a year. It's also ideal for everyday expenses like groceries, gas, or online shopping, where the flat rate consistently adds up. The card has no annual fee, making it an attractive option for anyone who wants cash back without paying to play. It also offers purchase protection, extended warranty coverage, and zero fraud liability, giving peace of mind alongside your rewards. Most people underestimate how much a consistent 5% cash back adds up over time, especially without the hassle of tracking categories. In addition, there's a welcome bonus for new cardholders. Meet the spending requirement within the first few months, and you could earn a substantial lump sum cashback bonus, which effectively offsets any initial costs of opening the card. In conclusion, the Capital One Quicksilver Cash Rewards USA card is perfect for anyone who wants simplicity, consistent cashback, and no annual fee. If you're looking to earn rewards on all your spending without complicated rules or high costs, this card delivers solid value for your money.